What's going on, everyone? Today's the 31st of July, 2023. Here to talk about the graph and if it's still worth investing. Yeah, it's trading around a dime or 11 cents right now. Is that worth investing? To some, it may be if you're looking to hold this cryptocurrency for the next 6,000 years. I mean, maybe it could come back to life and see the market go up. But clearly, looking at this chart, it doesn't look like that's feasible. It doesn't look like this market in the graph is looking to be investable material, does it? Hey, it doesn't mean that it's not going to go up in price. Every asset, every security, every instrument goes up. The idea is how high. That's the question. So is it worth investing from that standpoint? Of course it is. You just got to know when to get up off the investment and take the profit. That is what the game is all about when you come into these cryptocurrency markets. I did a price prediction in the graph. I'm zooming on the chart now, right here on July the 7th. Came through and updated you all on the 18th, which is there. And I told you that I wasn't changing my price prediction. I was still looking for the graph to go down, and that is precisely where the market is today. You guys can see it on yesterday's low. On the 30th, the market in the graph came down to almost like 10.5 cents. That is where our area ultimate TP was. Isn't that crazy? So if I were to bring that up to the low of yesterday, that's 8.95%. That's in the ballpark. That's in the vicinity of what we expected the market in the graph to do. Were you able to grab that out the market? If so, congratulations. Now, let's do this because the market currently is still trending down. We're still seeing, for the most part, the graph finding a hard time really breaking this downtrend line. It's having a very hard time. It's trying to do it. I give the buyers credit. They're trying to let this market break out of this downtrend, but it's going to take more volume than what we see down here in order for us to really allow that to happen. They will have to really increase the volume in the graph in order for us to really see that breakout. Okay. Now, you can see it here on the 2-day time frame. Let me zoom in and show you something. Because I can see here on the 2-day time frame that the buyers are trying to do that. This 2-day price bar right there, you're supposed to see market go lower after the creation of that 2-day price bar. But instead, we're seeing the market close higher than the previous lows. Even though they were still selling mixed in here on this 2-day price bar, the market was still able to close higher than the previous low and the close. And we're seeing it again here on this 2 days. So buyers are trying to move this market up in the graph. They're just not getting a whole lot of fanfare. Okay. And one thing I can really see here into the market in, I would say the cryptocurrency space overall, is that the volume is completely diminishing. No one is really participating in these cryptocurrencies as they once were back in 2020, 2021, and 2022. No one is really trading these cryptocurrencies. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, so this market here in the graph, like I told you, even though we're noticing buyers trying to hold price, there's still some selling and mixed in. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay. And all of this stems back to what occurred here. That is why this market is slowly but surely continuing to see lower prices. Take a look at the graph on the 7-hour chart. This is where buyers came through. Look at the volume and look at where the market closed. Let's get this on the 15. Okay, not that bad. $330-minute chart. Okay, it's on 11. Okay, so yeah, I'm not really looking for too much in the graph, to tell you the truth. This market doesn't look massively bullish. It doesn't look massively bearish. The volume is dry. No one is really coming in and participating to the market in the graph. And as long as that situation, that environment exists, we will continue to see the market ever so slightly continue to drift lower. But one thing I would tell you as well is that with the light volume and lack of price spread and volatility over the last couple of days in the graph, the market will spur a movement to another price level in order to bring in more trading, in order to bring in more FOMO and FUD, to really make people think I need to participate in this particular move. That is due to happen. And considering what's been going on the last couple of trading days, I will have to look forward to the graph going up in price. So let me go ahead and do that. And as long as the market holds a dime, we're going to look for the price in the graph to continue to try to lift up. And our first target is going to be here around like 11.5 cents, which is 3.97. Then my second target is going to be up there around 12 cents. It's 8.4. And then my third is going to be around 12.5, which is 12.92%. Okay, so that is it. I am done. You're up. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.